Okay, sagutan natin itong ipiniem sa akin. Ayan, so hello, paggawan naman po ng solution. So ito ay age problem. So Emma is twice as old as Olivia. 5 years ago, Emma was 3 times as old as Olivia. How old are Emma and Olivia now? Okay, so pause the video and try nyo pong sagutan. Okay, so sagutan na natin. So kapag ganitong mga age problem, ang pinakamagandang way dito ay gagawa natin ng table para madaling ma-analyze. Okay? So Emma is twice as old as Olivia. So yun yung kanilang present ages nila ito. So Emma is twice as old as Olivia. So sa first column, ilagay lang natin ang kanilang yung mga name dito. Palagay natin sa first column, Emma and Olivia. Emma and Olivia. Then second column, yung kanilang present age. So sabi sa problem, Emma is twice as old as Olivia. So si Olivia, ilet natin si Olivia na X. Tapos si Emma ay magiging 2X. Kasi mas matanda si Emma. Emma is twice as old. Twice as old, so that means 2X. And then we have 5 years ago. So another column para sa 5 years ago. So ilagay na lang natin dito yung past. Okay? So yung past age nila, 5 years ago, so ibig sabihin mag-subtract tayo ng 5 sa mga present ages nila. So therefore, we have 2x minus 5 and then Olivia is x minus 5. Okay? So sa 5 years ago, dito tayo sa column na ito gagawa ng expression. Kasi sabi sa problem, 5 years ago, so ito na nga yung column na yon. Emma, so ano yung age ni Emma 5 years ago? So that is 2x minus 5. So we have 2x minus 5 was, ang ibig sabihin ng was sa ganitong age problem ay equal sign. Okay? And then we have 3 times. 3 times, so imumultiply sa 3 ang age ni Olivia. So Emma was 3 times as old as Olivia. So imultiply natin sa 3 yung age ni Olivia dito sa past. So ang age ni Olivia sa past ay x minus 5. So we have 3 times x minus 5. Then the question is, how old are Emma and Olivia now? Yun yung present age na hinahanap natin. So sa expression natin, ang present age ay X. Present age ni Olivia ay X at si Emma naman ay 2X. So ibig sabihin yan, isolve lang natin ng X dito sa ating equation na ito. So just solve for X. So distribute 3. Distribute 3 to X minus 5. So therefore, we have 3 times X, we have 3X. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. So just copy this 2x minus 5. Okay, so pagsamahin natin yung x tsaka yung mga number lang. So itong 2x, ilipat natin sa kabilang side. Subtract 2x to both sides. Okay, so this will cancel out. So we have negative 5 is equal to 3x minus 2x. So that's simply 1x or x. So just copy negative 15. So now ito namang negative 15, ilipat natin sa kabilang side. So para mawala si negative 15, ang gagawin natin ay add 15 on both sides. Okay, so add 15 on both sides. So this is now 0. So therefore, negative 5 plus 15, that is equal to positive 10. So therefore, ang value ng x natin ay 10. Ang age ni Olivia ay x ay equal sa 10. So therefore, the correct answer is letter A. The age of Olivia is 10 and then the age of Emma will be 2 times 10. That is equal to 20. So the correct answer is letter A. Follow me for more content like this. So thank you for watching. Kung may math question kayo ay i-comment nyo lang po.